Hello! In front of me I have WITHINGS Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your smartband on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the smartband, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So first you will need to press the side button to wake up the screen on your band, and then you need to press it repeatedly a couple times until you find the heart rate option. It looks like this, like the beating heart. And once you find it, the band will start measuring the heart rate automatically, and after a second or two it will show you the value. And this number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. And once it's done, once the number is not jumping around anymore, it will be your current heart rate. So let me open it again. Let's go back to the heart rate, press the finger, and let's wait for the number. It should appear here. As you can see, it appeared. It has problems with detecting the heart rate from the finger, but as you can see, we have the heart rate right now and it's jumping around, but it should stabilize at some point. And once it's stabilized, it should be your current heart rate. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.